आप सुन रहे हो? शादी में मेरे को सिल्वर ज्वेलरी दे देना गोल्ड की जगह. Hi guys, I'm Kritika. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to talk about सिल्वर ज्वेलरी. आई लव सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड अगर मुझे कोई काफ़ी टाइम से फॉलो कर रहा है सबको पता है कि मैं ऑब्सेस्ड हूँ सिल्वर ज्वेलरी से. आई एम गोइंग टू टॉक अबाउट सिल्वर ज्वेलरी एंड मैंने अपनी कलेक्शन कैसे बिल्ड करी है, मैंने कौन कौन से पीसेस कहाँ कहाँ से लिए, किस जगह से लिए और किस रेंज में. ऑल ऑफ दिस इन द वीडियो. कीप ऑन वॉचिंग. सो विदाउट एनी फर्दर अडू, लेट्स गेट इनटू द वीडियो. Okay, so this video is divided into 3-4 different sections. First, I'm going to talk about online stores. Then I'm going to talk about street shopping. And then I am going to talk about Instagram stores. First of all, Ajio. This neck piece is from Ajio and I get so many compliments hamesha because ek to first of all, this is very simple and classy and chic and this is like a statement neck piece. मतलब आप सिर्फ ये भी पहन लो and जिस मैंने अभी white shirt के ऊपर पहना है, अगर मैं सिर्फ ये भी पहन लेती without the earrings, I'm sorted. The next neck piece that I got from Ajio is this one. It's a very colorful neck piece. यहाँ पर thread work हुआ है. Looks like a tribal neck piece because of the thread and the colors, which I really like it. The next neck piece or choker I want to show you guys is this one and this is like the star of the show. ये मैंने कितनी दिवाली पार्टीज में डाला है, कितनी वेडिंग्स पे डाला. मैं यूजुअली क्या करती हूँ, मेरा सूट वगैरह वैसे कलरफुल सूट वगैरह पहनती हूँ. जैसे अगर प्लेन मैंने येलो कुर्ती डाली हुई है, अगर मुझे पिक्चर मिलती है मैं यहाँ रखती हूँ. मैंने ऐसे किसी कजन का फंक्शन किसी कुछ तो था, मैं उस पर डाल के गई थी. येलो कलर का सूट था, व्हाइट कलर की चुन्नी थी, मैंने बन बना रखा था, स्मोकी आई करा था और उसके साथ सिर्फ ये चोकर डाला था. And I don't know what it is about silver jewelry. It just instantly amps up your outfit. And I think ये choker already exaggerated और OTT है. I think जब भी आप ऐसे thick chokers पहनते हो ना, so उस पे attention रखने के लिए make sure आप बन बना रहे हो और आपका सारा attention उस neck piece पे जाए. So this is oxidized silver and यहाँ एक strap है, उस पे इन्होंने ऐसे सिल्वर का पूरा नेक पीस लगा रखा है और पीछे ब्लैक बेस है, which looks really amazing and I love it and it's so easy to tie. I can, अरे heavy भी नहीं है ज़्यादा, it's very light, very light, so always a plus, you can wear it easily. Last but not the least, I want to talk about these earrings. They look so cute and they're so lightweight. I literally can't feel them. They're so lightweight and they're oxidized silver, which I love oxidized silver. I think silver से better oxidized silver लगता है. वो एक अलग ही charm होता है उसमें और rustic सा और old सा लगता है. And इसमें भी यहाँ पर नीचे घुंघरू लगे हुए हैं, यहाँ पर ऐसे tassel सा है, और tassel ही बोलते हैं ना इसको, हम यही बोलेंगे, मेरा चैनल है. It's in very cute diamond shape and they have some घुंघरू attached here and some tassels. Very cute and very light. Thumbs up. We are done with Ajio. Now on to the next store. Found this store called Quirksmith Silver Jewelry and this is not sponsored but I love them. Although I personally feel some of the stuff is overpriced, but I think they work so hard on their designs and they are so creative. I actually only have one piece with me right now because I lost one ear cuff and 2 nose rings. I used to wear this nose ring all of the time guys and I can't even tell you. मतलब लिटरली कभी भी मैं फोटो पोस्ट करती थी 90 to 100 कमेंट्स उसके नीचे होते थे, सभी पूछते थे where is this nose ring from and I get it why, because it's so pretty and yeah, this is the nose ring. It has a छोटा सा ऐसे turquoise color है, इसमें हल्का सा pop of turquoise color है which makes it even more special, but I am going to get it again. And there's one more and this one right here says Mal and it's actually my favorite. It is so cute and if you come closer you can properly read it, but looks really nice. And last but not the least, this one, I recently wore this in my festive get ready with me video and I got so many questions asking where is this ear cuff from. It says Dekho Magar Pyar Se, which is so quirky, just like their name, and I really like it. I think personally I really like wearing jewelry which makes a statement and which says something, and Quirksmith Silver is definitely one of my favorite brands. So moving on, now I'm going to talk about Tribe by Amrapali. I really love this range by Amrapali and I think it's for all the young girls and the designs are very quirky and very young and fresh. and they are the perfect mixture of new and old. I really love this piece. So this is the first piece that I got, and I think I can wear this on a daily basis also. You just wear this and you're done. I really love the design and the color, and it's very quirky and different. And from the same line I got these earrings as well. You have to wear it like this and then you attach it here. It looks so pretty. So it looks like you have a piercing here, and it really fills your ear, and it looks like an ear cuff and a earring mixed together. So I really like this, and it's the design and the color is exactly same. It's from the same range. Next up, I'm going to talk about street finds, and 90% of my jewelry is from Janpath. I don't know if you know this, but there's a secret lane where you get all the silver jewelry, like all of the good pieces are there. If you are a fashion fanatic, you know what I'm talking about. जनपद में तो नॉर्मल ज्वेलरी मिलती है, जैसे 100 to 100 के इयररिंग्स मिल जाते हैं जो और भी जगह अवेलेबल होते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सरोजनी, कमला नगर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट दिल्ली स्ट्रीट मार्केट्स. But there's a special lane which is like 200 meters away from the main Janpath market called Gujarati Lane. Oh my god guys, wait. I have to show you. This is like my everything and my prized possession. Sugar, what do you want? Sugar, what do you want? This is like my prized possession and I love it. And yes, मैंने इसको ऐसे सजा के रखा हुआ है ट्रे पे. But I'll quickly show you guys all of my favorite pieces. मैं सारा नहीं दिखा सकती क्योंकि इतनी लंबी वीडियो में बनानी नहीं है. But oh my god, this is like in my top 5, and that's a huge deal for me because I have lots of silver pieces. Really love this. I don't know what you call this, Afghani jewelry, Kashmiri jewelry, or mirror work jewelry, but whatever it is, I am in love. I think you call it mirror work silver jewelry, and this piece is just an art. I love the design. I love the mirror work. आप साड़ी के साथ पहन लो, जीन्स टॉप के साथ पहन लो, कुर्ते के साथ पहन लो, सबके साथ अच्छा लगता है बिकॉज इट्स वेरी गॉर्जियस पीस. आई लव इट सो मच. एंड इसके साथ मैं मैचिंग इयररिंग्स लाई थी. इस पे क्यूट सी बर्ड्स बनी हुई है. एंड आई गॉट दिस फॉर 2000 रुपीज, नो 1800 रुपीज. एंड यूजुअली इफ यू बाय सिल्वर ज्वेलरी फ्रॉम गुजराती लेन, अ प्रो टिप, बार्गेन बिकॉज वहाँ यूजुअली फॉरनर्स आते हैं, सो उनको काफ़ी आदत है एक्स्ट्रा प्राइस कोट करने की. सो इफ़ यू गो देयर, बार्गेन अ लॉट एंड यू माइट गेट इट फॉर चीपर. मैं थोड़ी सी इतनी प्रो नहीं हूँ, तो जितना मैं कर सकती हूँ मैं करती हूँ. आई थिंक मेरे को उसने 3000 बोला था, तो मैंने 1800 तक उसको मना लिया था. सो विच इज़ आई थिंक अ गुड डील फॉर सच अ प्रिटी नेक पीस. नेक्स्ट अप आई एम गोइंग टू शो यू गाइज दीज 2 पीसेस. ये आपको लिटरली हर जगह, गुजराती लेन अगर आप जाओगे आपको हर जगह ये पीसेस दिखेंगे. एंड दे आर on Ajio as well and many other sites. This is like proper traditional silver jewelry which the tribes wear, and I really love them. You might get this for 800 or 700 rupees if you bargain nicely. You can wear these and then you can wear a choker. Looks really classy, and you can layer different pieces together. Oh my god, this is so pretty you guys. This is the Afghani mirrorwork neck piece, same as the first one, and I got this in red color. I got this for 1300 rupees and it looks so beautiful. And I love the ghungru here. I love the design. I love, like, it fills your neck and you don't need any other piece of jewelry. Looks so pretty. Last but not the least, I know it's very OTT and it's very out there, but I love this neck piece. I got this for 1000 rupees, and this is what tribes wear, and it has coins here and blue beads here, which I really like. Okay guys, we are done with Gujarati Lane. Now talking about Janpath, main Janpath market, or Sarojinagar market, or Kamla Nagar market. You can actually get these literally everywhere. और ये बीच में इतने ट्रेंडी थे, हर किसी के पास ही पीस था एंड हर कहीं अवेलेबल था. So I got them in 3 different colors. I got them in yellow, green, and then I got this in teal color, double layered earrings. These are called Chand Balis. I got this for 150 rupees or 200 rupees if I'm not wrong, and you can literally get them anywhere. But if you wanna get unique pieces, you have to go to Gujarati Lane. You'll thank me later. Now I'm going to talk about Instagram stores. The first store that I'm going to talk about is Ball of Wax. They gifted me actually last year during Rakhi, and I wore this and I got so many compliments. They're so lightweight and looks really cool. If you wear them, you're only going to look at the earrings, and you can wear them with suits. I wore this with my white anarkali suit, and I went for a smoky eye. So Ball of Facts is the first store. So these two earrings are from Culture Signature Jalpa Thakkar. I love them so much. This is the same mirrorwork Afghani jewelry that I was talking about. And these earrings are so pretty. And these are the bird motif earrings. I really like them. And they have lots of different pieces, lots of Afghani jewelry. If you wanna go and check out their store, I'll keep all the links in the description box below. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. We had so much fun filming it. Although ये हमने दोबारा film करा आधा part. Please like it because आधी video blur थी, so we had to film it again. Please like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you want a part 2, let us know in the comment section below and I'll do it for you guys. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys. Bye guys. चुप हो जाओ आप सब.